How to add social media links with the icons to your YouTube video descriptions. So if you want to go and add your social media links to your video descriptions, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So first thing we need to do is click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then click on YouTube Studio. Now you can go and add these to each individual video just by clicking on details, but if you want to go and add this to all of your future uploads so you don't have to keep manually doing this, then from the left hand side click on Settings and then press Upload Defaults. Now come over to the description and we just need to type out all of the social media that we want to add in this description. So I'm going to be adding Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well. Now in order to create a clickable link with an icon, you need to first go and head over to your profile page for that particular social media. So you can see here that I've got my Instagram page up and I'm just going to copy all of this link in the top navigation and then go and paste that exactly into the description. Now make sure you have the HTTPS section in order for this to work. Now you can do this for each of your social media pages, making sure to copy the full address like this. Now once you've pasted in all of your addresses, you can go and press save. You can then come over to your video description and as you can see we now have these social media links, and as you can see YouTube will automatically generate the icon and also make it clickable as well.